Pregnancy is so tough on our bodies. That's why I believe that comfort is the most important part of pregnancy. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your elastic waistbands and make your very own DIY maternity leggings for just cents on the dollar. They're super comfortable and easy to make. The first thing you need is an old pair of leggings. I got these at Walmart for about $4, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove the elastic waistband. You're going to also need about half a yard of brand new stretchy material to make your waistband. My waistband ended up measuring about 15.5 inches. Now you're going to take your brand new fabric, fold it in half, and measure out your brand new waistband. Make sure when you're cutting the fabric that you're cutting the width on the stretchiest part of the material. Again, my waistband was about 15.5 inches in width, and then in length, I'm going to cut it at about 16 to 18 inches because we are going to be folding this in half later on in the project. Now that you've got your basic shape, you're going to go ahead and sew those raw edges together along the length of the fabric. Make sure when you get to your sewing machine that you pull the fabric ever so slightly so that it can maintain its elasticity. Now that we've got our basic waistband shape, we're going to go ahead and fold the raw edges to meet together and then pin them at the bottom. Our waistband is now ready to attach to the leggings, so go ahead and pin them and sew that together. You don't need a serger for this project, I just prefer to use one for the longevity of my projects. And once again, don't forget to pull the fabric just slightly so that the fabric can maintain its elasticity and comfort. Fold your waistband outwards and that's it. We've got a finished product. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you enjoy your brand new maternity leggings. If you do end up making this video tutorial, please tag me on Instagram because I would love to see all of your creations. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!